Consider that you have entered in your room and suddenly the lights on and the fan started and the music played according to your mood. So, as a Hollywood horror movie, what will be your reaction? Of course not. It is not a Hollywood movie scene, but it is reality and we call it Internet of Things. Nowadays, internet is a basic need for everyone. Because of internet, you can cook latest dishes and even you can see your cloth with new design learning from YouTube. I would like to say that internet is like a blood which circulate in our veins. But did you know that internet was not so much popular and easy in the first? And the first, when we were downloading a small piece of video, we were waiting more than 5 to 6 hours. But nowadays, when you click on a button, you can easily connect with internet to download your favorite things. So, because of this high-speed internet, people trying to develop a new technology which can take decision by itself, no intervention of human. We call it Internet of Things. An Internet of Things, a machine or device can directly communicate with cloud to download or offload the data. And these machines don't need human interaction. I'm quite sure that you will think that if a machine can communicate with internet without human interaction, so what will be the benefit of this? Because human connect with internet to get information or to share the information. So what if machine connect to internet without human intervention? So I have already shared with you one example in the beginning of this video, but I'm trying to share with you some more example. For example, you have visited a shop and you have received a message to bring 1 kg tomatoes and some apple and mangoes. And the message sent by your refrigerator. So it is the magic of Internet of Things. The second example is that Mr. Tariq Umraj is driving and suddenly his car received a message from another car. And the message said that the Kanju bridge is totally blocked, so kindly follow alternative route. It is also Internet of Things magic. You can also receive a message about your car tires pressure from tire through sensor. If you are thinking that how we will recognize each and every fault of car or any other device. So everything has their own IP address to identify that uniquely. Through that IP address we can access that fault. At the beginning of the internet we were using IP version 4, but that was limited. Now, the latest version of IFE is IFE version 6. According to the latest research, we have guessed that in 2020, the world population will be 7.5 billion and 50 billion devices will be connected to internet. Scholar says that Internet of Things will bring so much easiness of everyone's life, but it can affect people privacy because people can easily hack internet of things machines and also people can access that easily. Thank you indeed for watching. Take care of yourself. Your sincere Wajid Hashmi.